guys, so today it is day 4 of we are at Friendly Beach right now. On this cliff thing here. There's a North Sea right there. Yeah. So please like and subscribe if you're new. Can we hit 15 likes? I'll see you. So me and my brother have got these really cool little guys. They're called stick bots. Here's my one. I've got like a little blue one. Then my brother's one's here, purple one. It's like see-through as well. But they're really like flexible and stuff. Like yeah. So I'm going to show you a clip, and if you want more clips of these stick bots, just comment. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know it was a bit short, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye.